Guys, this is Shivraj from the Gadget Crews, and here we are back again once another video. In this video, we are going to feature the Sailfish OS 2.0 for the Lenovo ZUK Plus. So, without further ado, let's get started. In this past few days, I was totally bored with the Android, so I just flashed the Sailfish OS. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the Sailfish OS features and what does it offer. Would you like to change it over the Android? And is it stable for daily use? So let's start with the lock screen. Over here you got the percentage of the battery. Here's the Wi-Fi logo that I'm connected to the Wi-Fi and the two SIM slots. You get the time, the day and the month as well as the state. Over at the bottom, if you see, you get a camera logo. So if you just swipe up, it will open the camera. So this is the camera interface of this. We will see that later on. Now just get back, I have to swipe down, and as you can see, I'm back to the lock screen. If you have to swipe right to open it, and this is the multitasking area. If you swipe left, you get the notification center and the toggles over here. Like if you have to swipe down to bring it down, like this. Cool, isn't it? This looks very cool and refreshing look. And over here you got the settings to select all those things like connected, what you want, take a selfie, connect to the internet. You get different kind of toggles over here. And to go back, you just swipe up, and if you have to go to the toggle again, like swipe down, you will go back to over there. And this is how you go back. Well, this is the multitasking area. If you have to cut anything, like yeah, I was doing anything, like do like this. Okay, that's how you're done. And you have to go back, swipe up. That's easy it is. So let's just go first into the dialog. Let me show you how's the dialog. So this is how the dialog looks. It's a transparent types, and if you want to call on any number or do something, you have to press and pull it down and swipe up back. Now just let's go into the messages and check it out. So right now I don't have any messages over here. Well, if I want to write a message, you have to just touch the screen and pull down. As you can see, new message, and let it go. And then I'm getting the separate the person whom I want to send and the message. And this is the pretty good looking keyboard, I would say. I really like this thing. So that was the messaging, and let's go into browser. It's like any ordinary browser. Well, I was surfing some net, so the browser is also fluid. Now let's check out the camera. So here, as you can see, is the camera interface. As you can see, this is a camera interface. You get the toggles over here, the flashlight, the auto, everything like that, the shutter speed and everything. If I were to go back, you have to swipe towards the right, and here I'm back. Okay, so this is the camera shutter, and at the right, so I've left to see the pictures I have clicked, and it will also show the time and date as well. And if I want to share, just go into back. No, this is not the back, this is the back. um Sometimes it gets really confusing. If I go into the video recorder, I have to just press it like this, and here I'm into the video recorder. So you get the toggles. Like if you do like this, it will switch between the camera and the video recorder. And this is for the selfie thing. Now let's check out people. Okay, so people is basically the dialer. Right now I don't have any contacts. So now let's go into people. In people, this is the simply the contacts. Right now I don't have any contact. Well, if you want to add any contact, you have to press and swipe down and add contact, or select contacts if you have. any contacts and you want to select some, you have to select like this. Right now I don't have any, so it's not showing. So that was pretty much it. This is the Jola store. Right now I don't have an internet connection, sorry for that, but it's very useless, I have to say, because it doesn't have basic apps, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, nothing like that. You get unofficial builds like a third party developer has made for it, but it's not fully working yet. So it's not a good thing. Like, you can sideload Android applications, but I haven't figured it out yet how to do it. The process is very complicated, so I won't go into much detail of that. So let's just go into the gallery. So here I have two videos and two photos, three photos. So as you can select over here like this, and if I go to back like this, the videos over here showing. Let's go back. So this area, as I've mentioned, I don't know I've mentioned it. This area is a multitasking area. As you can see, I had been to the Jola store. Yeah, this is and contacts. Before that, I have been to the camera, so it's making a list. So these are the multitasking area. Okay, and if I want to close it, close anything, I have to press, and as you can see, the cross sign will appear, and I can remove them like this. So that's how you remove. Just go back and just explore. I will show the settings later on. So here you get a tutorial like how to use the Sailfish OS. Well, I have done this thing before, so I'm not going to show you because it's a lengthy process, and this basically shows you how to operate, because this Sailfish OS is totally based on gestures. So let's go into the clock. So this is the clock. So I'm going to show you how to add any alarms or reminders, something like that. You have to just basically tap and pull like new alarm or new timer or stopwatch. And while this thing is highlighted, you have to leave it. Like, I want the stopwatch, so I'm going to leave that thing over there. And as you can see, stopwatch have arrived. If I go to back, here I'm back. Up. That was it. And terminal. So this is the terminal application. So for the devs and all. So if I go into components, well, I don't want to explain this right now because it's very lengthy. It is something like people want to explore by themselves only. So what is this? The components. Components is the tweaking setting of the Jola OS where you can control how gestures are going to work, the vibration intensity, the ambience of the OS. That's what you get in these settings. You get to tweak it according to your liking. So that's it. Like, as you can see over effects, like how do you want it to be? Everything is present over there here to tweak it. So you have to explore it by yourself. Okay. So this is a calculator. Well, there is nothing much to explain about this thing. Well, yeah, the pretty much of the calculator, as you can see. Well, I do like the ambience of this thing. I wish Android has a thing like this, because nowadays Android is just going after the material things, like material stuff. So let's just go into the calendar. So you have to swipe to see the month. Don't swipe like that. Like, you will exit the whole everything. Okay, just simply swipe like this, and it does even shows, as you can see. Press and hold. New event or go to date, manage contacts and sync. You get the features over here like new event, and you can do a new do any schedule and save it. So simply going to cancel it and going back. Now just go into the email. Well, you can add Gmail as I have seen earlier. You have to press and hold and add account. As you can see, Google is there, so you can add your Google account. So that was it. Just go to the media player. So I don't have any songs right now, so I can't show you that thing. And let's go to the Now just lose. Now just let's go into the notes. Okay, pretty much this. I'm gonna save um, share notes, new notes, and delete notes. Select color. Okay, you can just select color like this. Select the green and one. Okay, and just go back. As you can see, this thing has saved new note. And if I just want to delete it and delete, so the animation is really good. I have to say that. So let's just go back. And here you get the documents. If you have any PDF files or something like that, you get to see that, or you can simply search by pressing down. This is the weather thing. Okay, so this is powered by Forcia, and you can add new locations or update. So pretty much that's it. Or to this. Let's go to the file browser. So as you can see, this is a file manager of this thing, and to do everything you have to press and swipe down to navigate in this. Create folder or go into setting or search or paste anything. So let's simply go back, and so this is a sale book. This is an unofficial version of Facebook I have installed. Well, I haven't checked it out, so I will be checking this out later. Or maybe you guys want a video. And this is the unofficial version of Facebook for the Jola. This is a sale book. Well, I haven't tried it out yet, and really don't want to check it out. So anyway, just okay. I haven't show you the settings. So it has a lot of things like ambience. You get to select. Like if I select freedom, like ambience, color, like as you can see it's changing, right? So you get to choose what kind of things you want. And display settings like sleep afters, orientation, the text size, the fonts, everything is over there present. Well, the Bluetooth doesn't work for right now, and pretty much every settings is over there, and everything mostly works. And utilities, so pretty much everything works. So pretty much everything works over here except the Bluetooth, which I have encountered. Bluetooth doesn't work. You can't use the Volti. Volti is not supported in this, and you can make receive calls on 3G, 4G, 2G, whatever you wish, but Volti doesn't work. Okay, so that was pretty much it. Well, mm, and at the last, I want to show you the status bar. This is this kind of status bar and pull down notification thing. So this is it. This looks cool. It's like, yeah, man, it's like wow. When I first saw it, and you can customize these things over from here, like settings, and you get to select what the things you want, like shortcuts. You can suppose I don't want the ringtone volume, so if I just press it, it will dim and it won't show over there. Okay, and if I want it to be there, like they select and it will light on. So that's how you get to know what are the things over there are present or not. Like this, these are the dim, so these things are not present over there. So I just wish Android has like this kind of stuff. You can control everything from here, the brightness and all, everything, the airplane mode, the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, the GPS navigation, the flashlight, and the rotation as well. So that was it. And another thing is that you can control the ambience from here also. If you go over here and swipe down, you get the ambience to choose. Like flow, if I select flow, it just set the ambience to the flow. As you can see, everything just changed according to the ambience. So I really find this software to be very interesting. Well, I'm not satisfied with the JolaOS because it doesn't have any basic app support, which is really pathetic. You have to sideload applications and the process is very complicated. Most of the people doesn't know about it, how to sideload even basic apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, which nowadays most of us are used to. So if you cannot provide those things, there is no meaning of using this Jola OS. So I would say for fun you can only use this, but for daily usage you cannot. If you do like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you like the video, and do subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. So thank you guys for watching the video.